welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for more. Today is a reset Sunday kind of vibe. It is a reset Sunday. I have homework assignments due tonight. I have to clean my room and I have to do laundry. I need to clean my room. It's really bad right now, so we're gonna get started on that. Let me show you guys how bad it is. Clothes every freaking where. Extremely bad, like really bad. My laundry is drying right now, so I took a shower earlier and I'm gonna do my makeup so I can leave to go do some homework. I have an assignment due at 8 o'clock tonight and it's currently 4, so I need to get that done. It's gonna take me at least 2 hours to do. It's statistics and I suck bad at statistics, and it's not just general statistics, it's psych statistics. So there's a lot going on with that, and I need to get that done. Dior, sponsor me please. I love your stuff. I 100% will never get over how this is literally a brush instead of just a general applicator. So freaking cool. Usually I do my setting spray after blending in everything and putting on my contour while it's setting, while the concealer is setting under my eyes. Today I'm feeling bold, I'm feeling headstrong, so we're gonna spray it first and then blend it in, and then spray again after blending it and putting in powder, and then put powder on top and see how that goes. You'll see. Now we're gonna blend. Now I'm gonna do the powder first. Now we're gonna put spray on, setting spray again. Now powder on top of that. I need a chai real bad from Wawa, I guess, because that's what they have on campus now. They've been changing everything so much, and I hate it here. I literally hate it here. I miss the old coffee shops and the way that campus used to be, but they're literally changing everything, and I'm just like, why? Nobody asked for these changes. Give us better food. Why are you changing the dining halls, but you're not making the food any better? Like, give us better food. Like, the food here is so freaking bad. I was sick. Every time I ate something, I got so sick for the first like week and a half being here. This is the Benetton dupe of Essence. Put this on my lips. This is supposed to be for cheeks, like your face, and lips, but I never use it on my cheeks because it's not pigmented enough for my face. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm gonna go in with mascara. We're gonna do Armani today. Just the bottom lashes as usual. The one thing I'm very grateful for is laundry is free this year. Well, starting like last year, I guess. Laundry is free now. I used to have to pay for laundry every time. And they're probably taking it out of our tuition now, but still grateful I don't have to pay for it separately. And next, I think this is it. Hold on. Let me do my hair right quick. I'll be right back. Okay, my hair is down like this. She's done. Here's the fit, by the way. We're in these. Hold on, let me move this so you guys can see it. These shorts, this shirt. Let me put my shoes on so you can see. We have on some ballet flats that have bows on top. And yeah. And there's my bag. I gained so much weight over the summer. I don't even recognize myself, but this is what we're working with. Let me show you the makeup look. I think she came out pretty well. Let me, hold on, put that right here. My sheets are in the dryer, so don't mind that. But another one of these. I have 2 more of these. I don't know where they are. Yeah, 2 more. I have 3 in total. I have no idea where the other 2 are. But this is the pink one. This is, what shade is this? Pink guava. Pink guava, sorry, not guava. Pink guava. And we're just gonna do that on my lips. It's the pink one. And there we go, that's my lip combo. I still have like 30 minutes on my laundry, so I'm gonna leave, come back around like 6 and get it, because there's like a lot of different dryers. Yeah, let's go. .65. Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. I did it wrong. I put in the wrong numbers. I did it right. Oh my god, yay. I'm literally just a girl. I am a singular girl, you know?
I'm literally just
Probabilities and z-scores. There is. Who came up with this shit? Why do I need to know how to calculate for z-scores to get my degree? Because I promise you, I will not be calculating z-scores in grad school. Pick this freaking presentation thing for my English class. No, history class. She's not even gonna be there to like present it, but she picked it. And I'm just like, why? And she picked me to be in her group too. So I'm the one that's gonna be presenting it.
oh,
Like, why? Literally, why would you pick me of all people? There's like 20 some people in that classroom and you picked me and you're not even gonna be there to present what you picked? Like what sense does that even make? It is literally like 7:50 and it's dark and we're in the woods in the wilderness headed back to headed back to my abode, my humble abode in the back alleyway. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Hello, ladies and gentlefolk. The bed is made. I just picked up my laundry. It is right here. I don't know when it's gonna get sorted out. I really don't. If I told you it was going to get done tonight, I would 100% be lying to you. So maybe tomorrow. Definitely tomorrow, because I need to like not have wrinkly clothes. I have an iron, but I don't want to iron. So yeah, it's like 8:20 right now. Bed is made, room is clean, homework is mostly done. Actually, homework is pretty much mostly done. Yeah, homework is mostly done. And we're done for the night. This is it for today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with me today. If you want more vlogs, more college activities, more of me, more of everything, more of me, comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And mwah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.